Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing something that I've been traveling a lot and I was thinking about it, during holidays and everything. I was thinking like, man, I should make a video about how to eat healthy on a road trip because I know people get stressed out, especially during the holidays, which those are gone, they're past now. But who's to say you're not going to take a trip in January or you're not going to take a trip for Valentine's and you still want to make sure that you're staying healthy? This video today is just going into how to stay healthy while on a road trip or you're just going on a trip. So let's get started. Okay, so the way that I'm going to format this video is how I usually eat. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, so for the first thing is, I have to have my cafecito. It's just something that your girl has gotta have. So we're gonna stop by Basic Girl. If you can just guess it, we're gonna stop by Starbucks. And I get those rewards and I get those cards. I would always support small businesses, but they don't have drive-thrus. So I have to make it convenient because I'm already on a road trip, probably driving 8 to 12 hours. So I have to go through a drive-thru, get something quick on the go. I'll get a white chocolate mocha, tall size. I'll get almond milk instead of whole milk. I'll get 2 pumps of white chocolate mocha instead of 3. And I'll do no whip. So that's already lowering the calories. I looked online and it says 340 calories, but I don't believe that because I swapped it for the whole milk and the almond milk and it didn't change. And I know for a fact that whole milk has more calories than almond milk. So it's gotta be less than 300, but you know what? We'll go with 340 calories that the drink has. For food, I'm going to be ordering a turkey, bacon, cheddar, and egg white sandwich. They're very good. They're healthy. And they're egg white. So you're getting that protein. You're getting some goodness in your body. For lunch, we're going to go to my new favorite place. I actually never went to this place, but all of a sudden, every time we take a trip, my husband's like, hey, you know where to stop? And I'm like, if you love me, you'll stop there. And we usually do. So for lunch, we stop at Wendy's and I always get the Southwest avocado chicken salad. I don't know. It's got so much flavor in it that it's like, I feel like I'm eating this it is delicious, but it's like, I don't even have to think about, I'm making a sacrifice to get something healthy. It really tastes magnificent. I get, a little bit of like spice because that's what I like, not hot, but just like seasoning and stuff. So it brings lettuce, pepper jack cheese, tomatoes, creamy avocado, bacon, grilled chicken, and it's all topped off with a Southwest ranch dressing, and that's 440 calories for a full size. I've never ordered the full size. I've always ordered the half size, and the half size is way more than enough. I get really full. So I get the half size, which is 220 calories. And then there's a dressing packet on the side that you could choose how much you want to use. And I normally only use half of the packet. So that'll be about 40 calories. But you could go ahead and use the whole packet. I'm going to include it here that I ate the whole packet, so 80 calories. Now, if there's another thing that I just really like is fries. So I'm gonna get some small fries, which are 270 calories, and a water, because at this point, I'm already getting something that I want to satisfy my craving, which is the fries. And I'm getting the salad, which is going to get me full. So there's really no need for artificial like sweeteners and stuff and like soda and that type of stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and get with water. So this is something that I tell my clients too. If you're already going through a fast food, really think about getting water because you already know that you're eating processed food. So why eat those calories? It's kind of just my mentality. If you're really up for the soda and you want to get a soda, then just be mindful what you're going to get for dinner. So for dinner, I'm going to go and stop at Chick-fil-A just because I know that they have grilled chicken, which I'm going to be ordering a grilled chicken sandwich with water, and that's going to come out to 320 calories. You can also ask for the wheat bread. I know at my college campus, I asked for the wheat bread. I haven't asked for it at drive-thru, but if my college campus Chick-fil-A has it, I can almost guarantee you that the drive-thru or any Chick-fil-A is probably gonna have it. So that right there brings the total calories to 1460 calories that I would have eaten the entire day. Now 1400 is not a lot of calories, but I'm okay with that. Usually I'll eat maybe 1900 calories. Definitely okay with 1460 because I haven't been doing any exercise. You know, while I've been in the car, I've just been sitting there on my phone, like literally haven't been active. So it's not the same thing as when you're going to the gym and you're like, hey, I gotta meet those calories because I need those calories for energy. So that is not the situation here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this full day, you know, healthy fast food options while traveling. You know, travel. Don't be so afraid of like, hey, I'm not going to travel because I have this diet, or I'm not going to enjoy this because I have this diet. That's not the way to live. You know, take it one day at a time. If you have to take it 1 minute at a time. The fact that you choose water over soda is a huge impact. The fact that you chose a grilled chicken over fried chicken is another huge impact. So just take it slow and remember that I believe in you guys. The main focus that we always come back to in this channel is progress over perfection. Don't expect yourself to be like, hey, you know, I'm not gonna get those fries, or I'm not gonna get whatever, or that cookie, because you know I'm gonna feel horrible about it. Just enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe if you've learned something in this video, and I'll be continuing to make some videos. We had a death in the family, so I couldn't really be recording in December, but I'm hoping that I'll be more consistent on my videos this year in 2021. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys have an incredible day.